I need some fried chicken. Right. What's cooking, guys, and welcome back to Zeeba Kitchen. Today is a good day. No, today is a great day. We are making some special fried chicken strips slash tenders slash selects, whatever you want to call them. It's our secret recipe. I don't even want to waffle. I want to get straight to it because I'm getting hungry thinking about them. They're super easy, super quick, so let's get to it. So what are you going to need for this recipe? Of course, you're going to need some chicken strips. We're using 400 grams of chicken breasts cut into strips. You're going to need 1.5 cups of plain flour. Then you're going to need 2 eggs. For seasoning, you want salt and pepper. You want 3 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and then 1.5 tablespoons of garlic granules. And that's pretty much it. So in no particular order, just add your seasoning in. You're going to be generous with the salt and pepper because nothing like the salt fried chicken. Generous with the pepper as well. So there's quite a lot of flour in there, you have to remember. So we're going to go with the Cajun. Just sprinkle it all around. Doesn't matter because we already mix this all up. And you want to go in with your 2 tablespoons of paprika, tablespoon of chili powder, and then your 1.5 tablespoons garlic granules. Or you're going to get your fork, mix that all up, and there you go. You have got the batter seasoned and you're ready to go. Okay, so now your flour is ready. What you want to do is get your 2 eggs in the bowl. It's 2 eggs in the bowl. And what you're going to do here, just season these with a bit of salt and pepper as well. Just a little bit of salt and pepper, just to give it that nice underlying. We need the chicken breast in there, and then just scramble those up. Scramble it all up. You can keep the yolk in there. Just scramble it all up nicely. Just nice rotation technique with that. Get it all scrambled and you are gonna be ready to go. Woo! It's gonna be delicious. So just scramble that all up. Scramble, scramble, scramble. Bah, 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 bah. So now what you're gonna be doing, get your chicken breast, you dip it in your eggs, make sure it's completely smooth. What we're going to do is go over to the flour, and just cover it all in there. Make sure it's all nicely covered. And now that is going to go straight into the fryer where you're going to have hot oil waiting. So now just add those into the oil, the rest of them. Just 3 to 4 minutes each side will do. Start seeing a nice golden color to them. Just you should want to make sure they cook through. So like crispy outside, juicy on the inside. That's how you want to have it. Keep flipping them. Make sure they stay nice and circular. As they cook, you want to get a nice little rack. Something like a baking rack or a grill rack. Just get a nice little rack that you can place these on to let all the oil drip off, because what you don't want is really oily outside. You do want it crispy on the outside and it's going to stay juicy on the inside. That's the beauty of these things. Ooh, it was so juicy, it fell apart. Okay. Here we go. As you see, for example, that one we tell looks cooked. So we start moving it to the right. Just make sure, obviously the thicker the cut, the longer it's gonna need. So you just gotta play by ear really. Look at that. That's exactly how you want it turning out. Ooh! Hey! Here we go. Who needs takeaway when you can make this at home? You've seen how easy it is. Nice and easy. So moving those straight over to a rack. Let the oil drip off those. And you have got some beautiful chicken strips. Look. There we go guys, some delicious chicken strips, and as you saw, really easy to put together. If you do like the recipe, make sure to drop us a like and let us know in the comments what you think of it or what recipe you'd like to see next. And if you do like our food, make sure you're subscribed and turn on the little dingy bell so you don't miss out on any of our easy, delicious recipes. And if you haven't already, check out our Instagram down here. And guys, until next time, peace!